In this video, we're going to take a look at the installation of the Zentium thermostat. Before we install the thermostat itself, we're going to check that the back box is the correct size for the thermostat and its keypad, that it's been installed the correct way up, and that the outer edge is as near to the finished surface of the wall as possible. The cable has been pre-terminated, and we're going to attach it to the thermostat like so. We then use the two screws provided, top and bottom, to fix the thermostat into the back box. As we tighten the screws, we'll take the opportunity to ensure that the thermostat is level, and then install the plastic mounting plate. Finally, the metal faceplate is installed by simply clipping on top, and then we add the dial, which presses into place. If you're installing your Zentium with a companion keypad, after installing the thermostat, we're going to move on to the preparation of the lighting keypad. The lighting keypad has been installed into the midplate. Now, the exact manner of this is going to change depending on the make and model of keypad you're installing. Here we've got a Lutron Palladium. We've got 4 small screws, one in each corner. We're going to take this midplate, attach our lighting keypad cables, rotate it and offer it up to the surface of the thermostat. We then have 4 screws to hold it in place. We've installed all the screws slightly loose so that now everything is neatly in a line and we can make our final adjustments to pull things into final position. The last step is to attach the faceplate itself, which simply snaps on top, and the dial.